This video is to show students how to change their name and perhaps their profile picture in their Zoom account for when they go to class. What you need to do is open your Google Chrome browser on your desktop right here. Don't use Microsoft Edge. It's not as good of a browser. So on your Google Chrome browser, you're going to want to go to zoom.us. Okay, and you actually already have an account because you are connected to the school. So you're going to go to sign in, and you're going to use your Lynn Schools credentials here. So that's, instead of my name here, it would be STU and your ID number at lynnschools.org, and then of course your password. Looks like it's going to make you do a capture code too to make sure you're not a robot. So you're going to sign in. Oops. I guess I made a mistake on my password. Okay, so you just have to be patient with some of those things. So where you guys don't have to be concerned with these things here with the meetings, because your teachers are going to schedule all your meetings for you. So you're going to go to profile. So you see that's my puppy, Minnie. I could change my profile picture if I want. That's not that important, but you just have to have your picture that you want downloaded, as long as it's school appropriate and doesn't violate any of the school rules. You can change it to yourself or a puppy or a pet or something like that. So I'm not going to do that now. But what is the most important thing here is that you change your name, because my name is this because I'm a teacher, but your name might be STU 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that's really hard for a teacher to tell who you are. So you're going to go to edit on the right and fix this so that it's your real first and last name. I'm sure if you have a nickname or you have, you can use that as a first name instead, as long as it's not, as long as it's your actual name that people call you by, that's totally fine. You can't just be like a screen name, like, 1 2 3 4 5 Red Sox. That's not a real name, obviously. So you can put what you want to be called, all right, here. Your last name is important because your teachers need to get to know you, and a lot of the times we have people with the same names or same first name. So you want to get that all done. You click Save Changes, and that's it. And now when you log into your Zoom meetings with your teachers, it should automatically have the correct name. All right, then you should be all set. Thank you.